Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw the golden snitch from Harry Potter. Now, there's lots of different ways you guys can do the wings in here, so I'm just going to do more of the traditional style. So, starting right here, right about in the middle of my paper, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up, and then it's going to go down and back up like this. Then I'm just going to redraw this line, and I'm just going to make it a little bit wider, and as I come to the end, I'm going to make it at a point. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. Then I'm going to make another line that's just going to kind of curve up and go right up to here. Now, I'm just going to draw some little lines that are just going down like this, kind of at an angle. And this is just going to be some of the detail on the golden snitch. So I'm just going to do these all the way down. And the biggest thing you want to do is try to keep these about the same distance apart. Okay, now starting right here, I want to draw the body of the golden snitch. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve around. It's going to come down and then come right to about here. Now, starting back here, I want to add the next wing. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and then it's going to go back up like this. Then I'm actually going to start at the top this time, and I want to keep it pointy, and then I'm just going to follow this line all the way back down to here. Then I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. And then I'm just going to curve it back up to here. And then same thing that I did here, you just want to add all of those little lines going down. And like I said before, just make sure you keep all the lines about the same distance apart. If you draw them too far apart or too close together, it's going to look a little bit off. Now, one of the last things we want to do is we want to add some of the detail inside of the golden snitch. Now, there's lots of different ways you guys can do this, and people have all sorts of different designs out there. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a small circle right here by the end of the wing. Then, starting here, I'm just going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve to here, and then I'm going to draw another one right above it for part of the detail. Then, starting here, I'm just going to draw a little line that's going to curve to here, and then I'm going to make one more that's going to curve right to there. Then, same thing right here, I'm just going to add a little line that's going to curve to here, and then one more. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve back, and then one underneath it. And then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve down, and then I'm going to put one right underneath it. And there you go. There is your drawing of a golden snitch. Now, like I said, there's lots of different ways you guys can do some of the details on here. You could add extra lines and all sorts of stuff, but we're just going to keep it simple. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.